Okay. Now you all have joined the ship. आपका reliever का round हो गया. He has shown you everything. He has noted down the parameters. Now you are going to the engine room. First day going into the engine room, what to do? So generally by 8 o'clock there is a meeting, toolbox meeting. So will be a second year, chief year, everybody will be there. You will discuss what to do. So as an ETO, now is a question of ETO. What you have to do? आप जाएंगे, you will take round of the whole ship. You will get familiarized. Then you go to the main switchboard, check power supply, check generator, check ACBs, check insulation, 440 volt, 220 volt, and keep on noting the parameters. Go to the ECR control, the desk, then you will say lot of lamps. Then you will find one lamp test, buzzer test, and different. When you do a lamp test, then all lamps will be glowing. This means your lamp tests are completed. अगर आपका कोई लैम्प काम नहीं कर रहा तो क्या करोगे? You will change the lamp. So you have taken the round of the main switchboard. Everything is clear. Then you will go to the engine room. Go to the boiler. Go to the incinerator. Go to different equipment. Go to the motor. Now you must remember, there are many babies. You know what is babies? They are the motors. You are the electro-technical officers, expert of electrical systems, and your equipments are your babies. Do not neglect them. Do not neglect them. Go to each motor, touch and see the temperature. Generally your equipment is designed for 45-degree temperature. So touch the equipment, you will feel the heat, the sense, how much the temperature. And check my personal, this is your choice, my personal. When I join ship, initially I go to the motor, I touch and request, please always be safe. I request to that motor, I request to that machinery, please be safe. Okay, people will feel it funny. ये क्या है? I have seen a chief engineer, when he joins, he will go to the engine, he will remove shoes and पूरा उसको worship, he will worship. So they are your babies. If you care for them, they will care for you. Check vibration, check their temperature, check their loose connections. All equipment you must go and check. It will be very helpful for you. I hope everybody understands that.
Yes, sir.
Rotating machinery, check something is falling down, it should be incorrect. Check all lights are working. If some light is not working, you must attempt to rectify that fault. And do not attempt to rectify fault without switching off. Do not take any wire dead. It is dead or alive. You should take it as a live. You should take it as a live wire. Okay? And then everything you note, all defects, you make a list. Okay? Date and today's, what are the defects? They are just keep on writing. They are the defects. Next day, you have second page, you have these defects. So, you never forget. Somebody may say, my this problem, and you have to take round of the ship, full round of the ship, irrespective of engine room, irrespective of deck. Okay? Checking insulation, noting current, checking lamps, and the indications is must. Standby, which one is standby, which one is running, that is motors, starters, that you have to keep track of it. So these are things you have to keep